Bye.
Bye, Papa.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Come back.
Well, for Rocky Lee special.
En el nombre del Padre, del Hijo, del Espíritu Santo. Amén, mi amor.
No. No, no. No.
Oh, my little good boy.
You're a good boy. That's it, you're a good boy. That's it.
¿Por qué se hizo pipí? ¿Quiere que le dé Pau Pau? Pau Pau, le vamos a dar porque
Give me paw. I'm trying to do that challenge. Come on, give me paw. Please.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hot dog.
Look at this. Looks like a fucking massacre. I'm so sick of you. Nike, look at me. What the fuck is your problem?
Hey, Whitney, this thing is covered in duckweed.
Lloyd! Oh my god.
Are you kidding me right now? Duncan!
Oh my god, you two.
What color was she before?
Is it golden? Why?
Oh, whiskey. Oh, honey. Are you serious right now?
Crikey. Crikey, not the golden gator.
Louie, come on!
Do you have to do it every single time?
Cooper! Oh, Cooper, what are you doing?
Whisper. Good job, Whisper. Whisper. Good job. That's not a whisper. You have to whisper.
Nope. You whisper bark. You go woof. Yeah, like that. Woof. Good job. That's a better one.
Can you protect me more quietly?
That's opposite. No. Whisper.
Speak.
Good girl.
Whisper.
Oh. Shh. No. No. Yes.
Whisper.
Oh.
Whisper. Whisper.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you.
You look like a potato. Don't tooth this time. You whisper. Quiet speak. Quiet speak. Good girl. Quiet speak.
Good boy.
Is that a pig?
Is that your pig? Ooh. I don't like that.
Oh no. Oh no.
Winchester, squeak that damn thing one more time and I swear to God I'll put you outside. Drop it.
Close. Stop. Jess. Oh, shit. Take a bite of it.
Not allowed on the bed, you. No! Yeah. Get it. Get it.
What's going on?
Stay. 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 Okay, release. Wait a second.
You are not a gentle boy. You kind of are.
What are you doing? That's your leg.
The most dangerous animal on this planet.
Malin white shopping passing traffic.
We're not, Britton. We are not starting this. No.
Do you like celery?